Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about this OnePlus band. OnePlus recently launched a new smart band. So this is a OnePlus first smart band in this smart band category. In this video, I am going to show you about its unboxing and how to set up this OnePlus band. So meanwhile, this OnePlus smart band is almost similar to the Realme band, since it also comes with the SpO2 blood oxygen saturation and 24/7 heart rate monitoring and having 13 different exercise modes, and it has the IP68 water rating. It supports up to 5 ATM. But the one unique thing in this OnePlus band is that, as usual, as like all OnePlus smartphone, this OnePlus band is also comes with the AMOLED display. So it has a 1.1 inches of AMOLED display panel in this OnePlus band. Well, now let's move on to into this video from its unboxing, guys. As this is the OnePlus band package. So this is the actual product will looks like, and the model name is OnePlus band, OnePlus first smart band in this smart band category. And on the rear here is having some of the few highlighted specs. The SpO2 blood oxygen saturation, sleep tracking, 24/7 heart rate tracking, 13 different exercise modes, and it has a dual color band design. Actually this colors has comes with the black with the gray color, and apart from that you will get two more color variants having a blue color and then orange with white, like that colors. You can also buy a separate strap also in addition for switching the band strap. Highlighted thing is that it has a 1.1 inches of AMOLED touch display. So it has a dedicated touch display, and it having a 14 days of battery support, and has the 5 ATM supported of IP68 certified waterproof rating. Well, now let's unbox this package. After opening, so here is a big box. Here is some of the booklets. First, OnePlus Red Cable Club card is given, and after that, so this is a safety and warranty information, and this is the let's get started. How to start this OnePlus band? All these details will be given there, and here it is. So this is the OnePlus band. So this is how the OnePlus band will looks like, and then you will get charging dock. So here is a charging dock. So using this charging dock only you can able to charge this OnePlus band. In earlier in Realme band, you directly put the band into the charging adapter what you are regularly charging a smartphone, but in this OnePlus band you need to carry this charging dock separately to charge this OnePlus band. However, OnePlus is claiming that on full charge it will gives you up to 14 days of battery life. We'll check all these coming videos. Well, that's all this package will contain. On to the product overview. Well, this is the product is actually looks like. So actually it comes with this type of button control. You need to insert this into the strap holes, and it's actually quite good. In case if we are having that loopholes, means there might be a chance of breakage of that loopholes, but it has some of the button type control. You can justly insert this into this holes of the strap based on your size. You can easily detach this main display like this. Once you detach it like this, means you can charge this OnePlus band by inserting this charging indicator like this and fix here like this. For booting this device for the first time, you need to power on this device by plugging this to the power only, and after that so here it is that actually now just turned on. So you turned on, now it shows that installed the OnePlus Health app on your phone. So you need to install the new OnePlus Health app in your smartphone. So just take your smartphone and go to the Play Store, and there search for OnePlus Health. After searching, now you will get the app. So it asking for the location permission. Just turn on the location and make a selection of keep while in use access and turn on this location, and that's it. So this is the OnePlus Health app UI. First and very first, if you are installing the OnePlus app, means you need to create a new login in the OnePlus Health app. So just make a registration by putting your mobile number, mail ID like that, and after that you need to put your gender and all the details to set up the OnePlus Health app. So once you set that, so this is the OnePlus Health app UI, and after that, so here is at the bottom you will get a three different tabs. So one is health, fitness, and then manage. So in the manage section, an option of a add device. Just click on add. Now it's searching for the devices. So we have already turned on this OnePlus band. So once you turned on this OnePlus band, and here is the devices list is given, OnePlus band OE29. So this is the same device we are having here. So just click on this OnePlus band. Now it's actually preparing. This OnePlus band, you will get a pairing code. So the in Bluetooth setting you will get a pairing request. Just click on that, and pairing key is also given. So once all this thing is matched, just pair, click the pair button, and the device is actually pairing. And finally the OnePlus band is paired with your smartphone. So actually pairing this OnePlus smart band with your smartphone is actually hassle free. Just you need to turn on this OnePlus band. On very first you need to turn on this OnePlus band by putting this USB through the power source or any power bank as per your wish. And after turning on this device, you need to install the OnePlus Health app in your smartphone. So once all these things have been done, so in the OnePlus Health app you need to add the device, and that's it. So after that the pairing will be done automatically. So once all the things is been done, just tap on the continue option, and here is some of the OnePlus band terms of use. Just click I have read and just go to the continue option. And data sync via Bluetooth. OnePlus band will sync weather, workout, and health data. So it's asking for the permission to sync the data from the OnePlus band to the smartphone. Just tap on continue and stay connected. So it asking for the permission of receiving the call notification in the OnePlus band. Just allow that. So OnePlus Health app now access to your contacts. Just allow. And also OnePlus Health app now access to your phone log calls log also. Just make a allow. Phone notification, in case if you are having a notification, means whether you need to receive the notification in your OnePlus smart band or not. So if you need, just allow or go else with the skip option. And that's it. So here is a notification of access. So here you need to enable the OnePlus Health app. So just enable and make the allow option, and after that go back. It asking for in which hand you are going to wear this OnePlus band, whether in the left hand or in the right hand. So I am wearing in the left hand. Choose a preferred option as per your wish, and that's it. All the initial settings has been done. Now let's get started. Also it is asking for the background activity purpose. In case if your smartphone is in under locked condition also, then only the OnePlus band can be able to notify and provide the call notification in real time. So just tap on set now. You need to actually turn on these settings in your device settings. So it actually depends upon each smartphone maker. Actually the tutorial is given from in this application itself. So based on this tutorial you need to go to that particular setting, and you need to turn on that OnePlus Health app application. So that's it guys. Now we have set up this OnePlus band completely. So this is how the OnePlus band will looks like. So here is some of the watch faces. So actually we are having the 5 different watch faces. So first we select this watch face. So I have selected the first watch face. In this OnePlus band also you will get some of the tutorials like so swipe right to go back and cover the screen to turn off the watch face. So now here you will get a watch face. So this is the new watch face. Now I set the other watch faces. Let's look at on this. So this is the another watch face. How do you guys like this new watch face? This is another watch face. It also quite looks good. You can also switches the watch face by just swiping from the left to right or right to left from the home screen. So in the watch faces you will show the actual time and the date and what is the day. All the things will be shown. And in some watch faces you will get a step count monitoring. So that's it, guys. That's it about this OnePlus Smart Band. Soon I'll get into the new video with its full review and all about the features about this new OnePlus Smart Band. That's all about this video, guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like. And what do you guys think about this new OnePlus Smart Band? So let me know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching this video, guys.